We are right in the middle of the holiday season. So, amidst all the hustle and bustle, let's take 5 minutes and do a soothing stretch routine that will help calm your busy mind, ease your shattered nerves, and bring you more energy. You can do this quick, easy stretching routine anywhere, anytime to bring you back to the most wonderful self. We're going to start seated on the floor. I'm going to turn sideways because I'm going to stretch my legs out in front of me. And we're going to do a seated forward bend. Simple, easy. We're going to reach up. We're going to hinge from the hips. Take a deep breath in, hinge forward, and exhale, and come back. You're going to go as far forward as you're able to today. We're not looking for a complete collapse on the floor. We're looking to engage our hips and ease some of the tension that's in our lower back. So again, we're going to stretch up. Take a breath in, and as you lean forward, you're going to exhale. And again, we're not trying to get all the way to the floor. You're going to go as far as you need to feel a stretch in through here, here, and here. So again, and hold for a count of about 5. Back up. Last one. We're going to inhale, sitting up straight, reach up, lean forward, and you should be able to get a little further this time. Hold for 5. And come back up. We're going to go over to hands and knees now. For a little cat-cow. You want your wrists under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. And we're just going to raise our heads and our butts and let our midsection sink down. And then slowly reverse that. So pushing through your hands, bring your chin to your chest, push up through your shoulders, get that arch. Pretend you're that kitty cat at Halloween. And slowly down again. This should feel really good. Now, if you're not able to get on the floor, you can also do this against a chair. Just get that back arching both ways. Push through the shoulders. Don't forget to breathe. And one more set. Arch. And come back down. All right, coming back to a seated position in front. You can either do this with your legs out in front of you. You can crisscross applesauce, as the kids would say. Whatever's comfortable for you. If you need a bolster behind you to get into a seated position, that's fine. We're going to do some side stretches. So we're going to reach up and to the left. And again, same as with the forward bend. Keep both of your sit bones on the floor. And this stretch is whatever you've got today. You're holding a lot of stress and tension in your joints and in your body. So we're not forcing a stretch. We're just letting gravity help us. Back to this side. Nice and slow, nice and easy stretches. And again to this side. And one more set each side. This time we're going to take a breath in first. Reach up to the ceiling, get a nice stretch in through your torso, and then go to the side. Reach up again to the other side. And come back up. Relax those shoulder muscles a little bit. This time we're going to come down on our backs. And again, if you're not comfortable on the floor, this one you can do on your bed as well. This is sometimes called the figure 4 stretch. You're going to take your right leg, cross it over your left knee, not on your knee, but slightly below your knee. And your hands are going to go through that triangle you just made. And then you're going to gently, and I stretch towards my chest, emphasizing the word gently. We're not pulling really hard on this. Count of about 10 here. And we'll release that. Change it up. Other leg. Reaching through that triangle. And you're not pulling on your knee. You're pulling between your knee and your hip. Again, towards your shoulder. Whatever stretch you have today is what we're aiming for. Don't forget to breathe. Again, for about a count of 10. We're going to come down one more time. So we're going to switch legs. Coming through. Bring that leg up towards your chest. And you're going to feel this stretch. Everybody feels it in slightly a different place. Today I'm feeling it in my hamstrings because my hamstrings happen to be a little tight today. I was on my feet a lot yesterday. And down, switch it up. And as with any of our stretching routines, if you feel pain, stop. We need to readjust and reassess what we're doing because it should not be painful. It should feel stretchy. It should feel good. And for a count of 10. And we're going to bring that down. Sitting back up. Coming to our seated position, we're going to do some butterfly stretches with your torso sitting straight upright, putting the soles of your feet together and bringing that towards your body. Everybody's going to have a different range of motion here, and that's okay. You know, if you have knee or hip issues, you're not going to be able to bring your feet as close to your body, and that's fine. We're looking to stretch the inside of our legs here and also our lower back a little bit. That's why we need to sit totally upright. Don't slouch back or lean back. Sit totally upright and don't haul on your feet. Find a stretchy place and stop there. And we're going to hold this for about 20 seconds. And we're going to take an inhale. And we're going to lean slightly forward if you can. If you can't, that's okay. And we're going to hold this for about 10 seconds. I'm lifting my hands up so I'm emphasizing that I'm not pulling on my feet. And release that. Shake that all out. The last movement we're going to do is a legs up the wall pose. And you may want to use a pillow for this for behind your neck, and that's fine. I'm not going to because I'm used to doing this type of exercise. So find yourself a wall. I'm going to use this one right over here. Kind of move yourself over to the wall. And you're going to get your bottom as close to the wall as you can, laying on your back, and then moving your feet up the wall. So the goal is your legs are straight, and you can scooch as close to the wall as you can comfortably. Again, you can put a pillow under your head if you like. And the whole point of this is total relaxation. So we're not doing anything, we're not stretching, we're not moving, we're just relaxing into this pose. Adjust your body until you can feel relaxed. If you've got too much tension, you need to move back away from the wall a little bit. That's fine. And we're going to hold this pose for about 30 seconds or longer if you feel like it. This is one of the most relaxing poses that you can do. It's great right before you go to bed. Gets you totally ready for sleep. You can practice your circle breathing here. Inhale to the count of 6. Exhale to the count of 8. Or whatever 2-count breathing you're able to do. Exhaling longer than you inhale. Until you start to settle and really feel relaxed. Then as you come out of this pose, you're going to slowly shift around like we shifted to get up here. Just slowly shift around, bring your feet down, and just stay right here for 10 to 20 seconds before you try getting up. Once you're comfortable, go ahead, get up slowly, and there you have your 5-minute candlelight stretch. Again, it's good to do any time of day that you're feeling super stressed. Give yourself 5 minutes, take a break. You're going to be much more energized coming back to do whatever it is you need to do for the rest of the day. Or if you're getting ready for bed, do this stretch routine with your jammies on, curl under the warm blankets for a good night's sleep. I hope you enjoyed today's workout. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I wish you all a very happy holiday season.